after a couple of weeks of sleeping here, we've now shifted here. So we have brought all of our food stuff, all of our gas and kind of stuff. And we are staying here. We're quickly making a bathroom so that we have a toilet here. And even though things are still pretty rough, but we are very happy to be shifted into our house. We left a lot of our stuff over at Bua's house. So I'm making the workers chai and our lunch here. This is our little setup for right now, but we'll have to keep shifting things in and out. So we're just kind of moving around day by day as needed. The kids are out here making sand castles. We have the perfect house it's like a playground in our house. We have one of the workers' little girls here who seems to be about the same size as our girls. So she's been hanging out with our kids. We're just getting the beams ready for the roof, and I'm helping paint while he sands it. And there he is. There's a lot of beams to do. So we're just starting to put the rods on. Here's the center. It's a very long rod that Anish has welded together today. Working on making the beam for the center. We're having a tin roof, so like a pointed tin roof, so this will be the vertex of it.
So we are in the top. We are working for our beam. So you can see here, this is the center line of the beam. It's going. We are in top second story. We are working. All the laborers are waiting for the beam and all.
in for some rain, which is always a good thing since it's monsoon. So we made the middle beam yesterday, right before the rain came. And now Anisha's just opening it up, taking off the bricks. In this one yesterday, but got stopped with the rain, so it's gonna have to get finished when we have a clear day. Today it's raining, so we didn't have any workers coming. But nice light rain going on today.